Hi my friends, welcome back to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've posted a makeup video, so I wanted to do a quick little makeup tutorial with this new palette that I bought the other day. There are no sponsors for this eye makeup tutorial. The other day I went to the store and purchased the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I do like Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so I couldn't resist purchasing this palette. I am so in love with the colors in this palette, so let's go ahead and try this out. Out of all the pretty colors that I saw in this palette, the purple and the pink colors stood out to me first. I was having a lot of purple vibes, so I decided to go for this sort of dramatic, smoky purple eye makeup look, and it turned out super cute. Here we go guys, here is the palette of choice today, the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. As usual, I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so now I am ready to apply this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. I like this primer because it literally takes the oil out of my eyelids. Look at this, absolutely perfect. Starting off on the eyeshadow palette, we're going to use the eyeshadow called Love. Love will be my transition shade for this eye look. It's a very light pink color, which I think is so pretty. So I'm applying this color in my crease as well as the space between my brow bone and my crease area. The eyeshadow Love is like a very light pink blush color, so you definitely want to build it up so you can intensify the pink color. Now to define my crease, I'm using the shade Passion. I like the color Passion because it's in between this purplish brownish color. It's so pretty. It's like your classic berry colored eyeshadow. Now going to cut the crease using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm basically using this concealer as a base to prepare for the next color that I'm going to apply on my eyelid. I just want the color to stand out a little bit more. So far, I am really liking this palette. So now for my eyelid, I'm using the eyeshadow named Drama. Drama is another eyeshadow on this palette that I absolutely love because it's purple and it has glitter. So you already know I had to use this color. Drama is this very dark purple color. Like, I'm absolutely in love with it. They definitely was on point when it came to naming this eyeshadow. Definitely dramatic. So the eyeshadow Drama doesn't have a lot of glitter in it, and you guys know I like my shimmer. So next I'm going to add some extra glitter on top of my eyelid to make it pop a little bit more. You already know what's next. I'm going to add that glitter primer and then I'm going to add the glitter. So you say your eye makeup is looking a little, kind of dull. Add some glitter. I'm telling you, glitter can make a look go to a whole new level. Everything is better with glitter. And then just to brighten up the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this color called Dreamer. This eyeshadow Dreamer gives off a white gold color, so it's definitely good for highlighting, I think. Now proceeding to highlighting my eyebrows. This powdered highlighting palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills is another love of mine. Okay, and we cannot forget to eyeline our eyes. I used to use eyeliner pens all the time. Like, it makes eyelining your eyes so much easier. Whenever I do use eyeliner pens to eyeline my eyes, I prefer to use the felt tip brush because I feel that it's so much easier than using the classic eyeliner brush. So now adding mascara because we're about to add some falsies. Just wait until you see these gorgeous eyelashes that I am about to apply. So these gorgeous eyelashes right here is called Slade Boss. I do sell them in my store. These eyelashes are very soft and thick, so get yourself a pair of these babies. They are absolutely beautiful. For this video, I really wanted to focus on my eye makeup look because I just bought a new palette. I've always showed you guys how I do my face makeup, and I have a tutorial on how I highlight and contour my face. So definitely check out that video if you want more details on how I do my overall face makeup. But for now, we're just going to speed through. So sit back and relax, and we will get back to finishing our eye makeup look for this video. The eyeshadows that I used from this palette were pretty pigmented for the most part. I will say that the eyeshadows in this palette were super easy to blend in together. So just looking at my eye makeup, I think I put the right amount of glitter. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this look so much, and I will definitely recreate this look over and over again. It was very easy. I think it was fairly quick and simple, and the colors just blend beautifully together. Like, I'm really feeling this Norvina palette. This was definitely a good choice to buy. So I will continue to buy their products because none of them have failed me yet. So I didn't do my whole shebang on my full face look. I just did a basic highlight and contour. Now back to the eyes. Now we are going to show love to our lower lash line by applying the eyeshadow love to it. Can't forget your lower lash line, I'm telling you. And of course, we're going to follow love with passion, the eyeshadow. Now to make this eye look a little bit more bold, we are going to line the waterline of our lower eyelid and then also apply mascara to our lower lashes. Using any mascara brush, I'm using the same one from previously to apply mascara to my lower eyelashes. And of course, to put the cherry on top, lining our lips and then applying some beautiful lipstick afterwards. Going for an ombre look. Since I basically use pink and purple colors on my eyes, I'm also going to use that same color scheme. So I'm using this wine lip liner to line my lips, and then I'm using this mauve kind of in between nude pink lipstick to finish this overall look. Okay, that is it. This is the final look. I absolutely love this eye makeup look. It's dramatic, it's glittery, oh my goodness, just gorgeous. You guys already know I had to stunt on Snapchat real quick. I am so happy to welcome this new palette to my collection, 100%. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this eye makeup look, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And for more makeup tutorials, subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Okay, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye.